Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Venmo profile picture. First, open the Venmo app and log in. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. From here, tap Account, then select Profile. Now, tap the edit icon next to your initials or current photo. You'll see two options. Choose from library to upload a picture from your phone. Take photo to snap a new one. Select the option you prefer. If you take a photo, allow camera access, take the picture, adjust it, and tap Choose. Finally, tap Save, and your Venmo profile picture will be updated. And that's how to change your Venmo profile picture. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.